We started off as close friends. Somehow we turned out to be nothing. So I'll be tripping about everything. I heard you.
So what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to show you guys how I got this color and how I installed it and styled it. So going straight into this, I'm taking Adora Orange Blaze, Paprika, Spice Amber, putting that into a bowl of water. This water is straight out the faucet. We're not using no Dasani, Aquafina, it's straight out the faucet. And use old pots because you will be dipping hair and all kind of dye and stuff into the pot, so use old pots. Now I am just taking the hair and just putting it completely out of the water, and it's really like magic, like fuck, the hair is colored. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it and make sure the color gets everywhere and evenly throughout the hair. And now I'm taking Sunrise Orange and adding that to the pot because I wanted more of an orangey color, and I am just gonna do that until the hair is fully covered in it.
We started off as close friends. Somehow we turned out to be nothing. So I'll be tripping about everything. I heard you down through all the bullshit. I could you do this? Everything was so cool.
So once that is done and I've let the hair air dry, I am just gonna go ahead and put it on my head, and then I am adding some foundation onto the stocking cap, just because you know the knots are orange on it now that I dyed it. And I'm just going to add some glue, and y'all, this is not one of those, I'm not doing a professional install, I'm just doing something quick and easy just to upload to my YouTube channel. So yeah, I'm just putting the glue in there and I'm cutting off the sides just to make sure it can lay flat. And once I'm done with that part, I'm just going to blow dry the glue until it's clear.
I know that the groupie bitches approach you, but my question is, what do you do? When I don't fuck you, do she come through? When I'm not there, who do you run to? Play my cards, I might act stupid. Shoot my shot, now my heart wounded. Got me out here looking stupid. Sometimes I swear I can't do this. I go nuts, man, I go cuckoo, lose my cool and all. Man, you know that shit was wrong. You shouldn't have did what you did. And know your cause, cause you keep lying. You for that bitch, so stop that crying. I'm over you, so boy, stop trying. Nigga, we gon' stop all that lying. Take me back if I was you and I did what you did.
So once I've done putting the glue on, I am just going to cut off the lace and then add some powder that's the same color as my skin, and just put that right over that part just to make sure it blends in well. Now I am going and define my part, and you could pretty much watch me do the rest. And I'm going to add baby hairs, and this is not a frontal, so I do have to kind of tweak it to cover up my natural hair color, which is black. So just watch.
I heard you down through all the bullshit. I could you do this? Everything was so cool. Not picking up because that's my move. I don't know what the fuck got into you, but I ain't gonna lie, Mr. OU. Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie, Mr. OU. We started off as close friends.
Now I am just adding mousse, and I'm gonna hot comb it just to make sure my part is flat. And y'all, this hot comb burnt the out of me at first, so be careful. And once I'm done hot combing it and got it all the way to the flatness I like, I'm gonna try and be a professional motherfucker and cut some layers. You know, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm not professional, but I know how to make it work for me, so that's what I'm doing.
When I'm not there, who do you run to? Play my cards, I might act stupid. Shoot my shot, now my heart wounded. Got me out here looking stupid. Sometimes I swear I can't do this. I go nuts, man, I go cuckoo, lose my cool and all. Man, you know that shit was wrong. You shouldn't have did what you did. And know your cause, cause you keep
So now that I am done adding the baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and just tie my hair down just so the baby hairs can stay flat and nice. And yeah,
If I was you and I did what you did, you probably would. You probably would. Take me back if I was you and I did what
now I'm going to styling, and I'm taking this Bio Silk, which is like a silk serum, and I'm going to put that all over the hair and making sure it gets on every strand, especially the ends. Since this is 613 hair originally, you do need to moisturize it well, and now I am just gonna go ahead and curl my whole entire head.
So I be tripping about everything. I held you down through all the bullshit. I could you do this. Everything was so cool. Not picking up because that's my move. I don't know what the fuck got into you. Everything was so cool. Not picking up because that's my move. I don't know what the fuck got into you. But I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. I know that these groupie bitches approach you. But my question is, what do you do? When I don't fuck you, do she come through? When I'm not there, who do you run to? Play my cards, I might act stupid. Shoot my shot, now my heart wounded. Got me out here looking stupid. Sometimes I swear I can't do this. I go nuts, man, I go cuckoo, lose my cool and all. Man, you know that shit was wrong. You shouldn't have did what you did. And know your cause, cause you keep lying. You for that bitch, so stop that crying. I'm over you, so boy, stop trying. Nigga, we gon' stop all that lying. Take me back if I was you and I did what you did, you probably would. You probably wouldn't. Take me back if I was you and I did what you did, you probably would. You probably wouldn't. And know your cause, cause you keep lying. You for that bitch, so stop that crying. I'm over you, so boy, stop trying. Nigga, we gon' stop all that lying. We started off as close friends. Somehow we turned out to be nothing. So I be tripping about everything. I held you down through all the bullshit. I could you do this. Everything was so cool. Not picking up because that's my move. I don't know what the fuck got into you. But I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. Yeah. But I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. We started off as close friends. Everything was so cool. Not picking up because that's my move. I don't know what the fuck got into you. But I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. I know that these groupie bitches approach you.
So once that is all done and curled, y'all, it is melted. Look at that. Now that I am done curling, I took off my bandana, and now I'm going to go through and just unpin all the curls. And I did curl them going backwards. I should have curled the back going forwards, if that makes sense. But yeah.
And know your cause, cause you keep lying. You for that bitch, so stop that crying. I'm over you, so boy, stop trying. Nigga, we gon'
So
stop.
once all my pin curls are out, I'm going to go ahead and just brush it into the way I like. And y'all, I'm going to play with this so much until I get the desired look I want. And y'all, look at that lace. It is melted, honey. Ignore my natural hair color. This is just something quick and cute to show you guys. And I did go back and cut more layers just to see what I liked and how I wanted it. So that is all I'm doing, and I'm just gonna play with it some more after that.
So I be tripping about everything. I held you down through all the bullshit. I could you do this. Everything was so cool. Not picking up because that's my move. I don't know what the fuck got into you. But I ain't gon' lie, Mr. OU. Yeah. But my question is, what do you do? When I don't fuck you, do she come through? When I'm not there, who do you run to? Play my cards, I might act stupid. Shoot my shot, now my heart wounded. Got me out here looking stupid. Sometimes I swear I can't do this. I go nuts, man, I go cuckoo, lose my cool and all. Man, you know that shit was wrong. You shouldn't have did what you did. And know your cause, cause you keep.
So this is pretty much the finished project, you guys, and I think it's so cute or whatever.
I know that these groupie bitches approach you. But my question is, what do you do? When I don't fuck you, do she come through? When I'm not there, who do you run to? Play my cards, I might act stupid. Shoot my shot, now my heart wounded. Got me out here looking stupid. Sometimes I swear I can't do this.